Greetings friends, I'm Geofatboy for ShaveNation.com. Today's razor review is a brand new razor that we just got in stock. It's called the Fat Guy. It's a replica of the 1959-1960 Gillette Fatboy razor. Here's a look at it. Nice gleaming chrome. It is a little bit lighter than the original Fatboy. It is a twist to open, so all you do is turn the dial at the bottom counterclockwise. 1, 2, 3. It opens fully. We're going to drop in a blade. I'll be using a feather blade. Here's what it looks like in the package. Here it is out of the package. Just drop it right over that slot, like so. And just tighten it down a little bit. Don't close it all the way. I'll show you the adjustment. You see the notch up there? That's your adjustment notch. So you just turn the dial to the number that you desire. And the higher the number, which is 9 being the highest, that's where I'm going with it for my first pass. So it goes 9, 7, 5, 3, 1. And there's dots in between, which common sense would tell us that's 2, 4, 6, 8. So you can select your desired number or notch, and the aggressiveness of the shave will increase as the numbers go up, decrease as the numbers go down. So as I said, I'm on 9. Now I will tighten it all the way down. And then you can see the blade reveal. Looks perfect to me. Very nice looking razor. It's got knurling on the handle. It's got lines on the adjustment dial to give you some grip when you spin it. And it's got knurling at the bottom. On the bottom, that's what it looks like. There's no logo on this razor whatsoever. I searched all around, didn't see anything. Here's the bottom side. It weighs in at 2.3 ounces or 65 grams. The overall length from top to bottom is 3.4 inches or 87 millimeters. I'll perform a shave with this razor. I'm kind of excited to see how it's going to shave. I've been saving this beard growth for this razor. I want to see how it does up against this beard growth. Oh, did I not say that the coolest thing about this razor is that it has this positive click. When you're turning the dial, it just stops and clicks and notifies you. I like hearing the audible notification of the click as you're going along. Instead of it gliding smoothly, it gives you a positive click at each number and each dot, which I like. Let's mix up a lather. Got my Shave Nation bowl soaking in the water. I'm going to pour that out. Get rid of that. Grab a scoop of this sandalwood shaving cream, TOBS sandalwood, with the scoop spoon right here. Not much, about that much right there. Dropping that right into the bowl, like so. Purasa Omega brush, boar brush. Let's see if we can mix a lather. Just push the tips down into the lather spot, down at the bottom, and swirl. And you can definitely see that just within a few seconds, plenty of lather coming up. Around the brim, scoop that, gather it and scoop it back down. Nice thick lather, wonderful scent of TOBS sandalwood. If you want to add a little bit of water, you can just a tad, a few drops of water. Beautiful, nice thick lather right there in no time. Okay, I'll warm up my face. We'll get right to the shave. You can see my face is nice and red. Grab the brush and bowl. Let's lather up. Lovely peaks, nice thick lather, wonderful scent. Start on the right, work your way across. If you're a lefty, you might want to start on the left. Whatever's good for you. Dab it, paint it, swirl it. Figure 8, smooth everything out. Set the brush down, swipe, swipe. Clear the runways so we can see the sideburns. All right, let's try this with wet fingers. Yeah, you can still grip it pretty good. Under the hot water. As you can see, my first pass set to 9. Oh, very nice. Not bad at all. Removed my beard. Pretty thick beard. Quickly, easily. Got some good audible feedback. I wasn't sure if it would be aggressive enough, but it is. One side is filled. We'll flip over to the other side. Nice, very nice. Both sides are filled. Rinse that off. Let's hit the left side. It rinsed out very easily. Left. Filled up on one side, flip it. Very nice. Both sides are filled, rinse. Does rinse out very easy. Now the upper lip. Very nice. Rinse. Now a quick face rinse. Grab your brush and bowl, relather for the second pass. Set the brush down. Swipe, swipe, clear the runways again. Okay, now we're going to open it up slightly. You don't have to open it all the way. And let's readjust. I will go from 9 to 5. There, I'm at 5. Now I'll tighten it down all the way. Rinse. First pass was with the grain, north to south. Now we'll go across the grain. Slightly less aggressive, a little bit less audible feedback. Rinse. Against the grain on the neck. Rinse. Across the upper lip. Just start with the corner underneath the nose on an angle. Clean out those hairs. Then lay it flat. Same thing in reverse on the other side. Rinse. Now feel around, rinse and feel around. If you're smooth enough, you can stop right there. I'm going to go one more pass just so I can show you the third pass on number 1 setting. We're just going to take our brush and our bowl and stray hair right there. It happens once in a while. No biggie. Just the cheeks. Now we're going to set the razor to 1. So open it, turn the dial to the left, spin it all the way down to 1, and then retighten it. There you go. It's set on 1. Now we'll go against the grain on the cheeks, get them baby smooth. Oh, definite difference. So the adjustment factor really does work. 9, 5, 1. I can definitely feel the difference. If you have light beard growth, you might want to shave with it on a 1 or a 2 every day. Your choice. Got the cheeks, baby smooth. Rinse that. Now a cold water rinse to the face. Grab your Shave Nation wide stick Allen block, remove the cap under the cold water, and just glide that all around the areas you shaved. Give you a little feedback on your shave. Seal off any nicks or weepers if you got any, which we did not. We got a close, smooth, comfortable shave. Recap that, set it down, and let that soak in for about 30 seconds, and then rinse it off. Pat the face dry. We'll stick with the Sandalwood Taylor of Old Bond Street Sandalwood Moisturizing Cream. Remove the cap. Just a little squirt in the fingertips, about that much. Massage that together and then directly into the skin. The same Sandalwood scent, excellent for layering over Taylor of Old Bond Street shaving cream. Feels nice and smooth. I'm pleasantly surprised. It's a very nice shaving razor, feels really good in the hand. You know, I like longer handles, so I mean, this is just something you have to deal with. It's a little bit shorter, but it's like the original Fatboy. You're not going to change that. It is gleaming chrome. It has a nice look to it. The adjustment feature worked very well. As I said, I started with 9, then 5, then 1. You can do it however you want to do it. I like to just set forth the example of how I do it, demonstrate that, and then you can fine tune it to suit yourself. Here's a final look at the razor, the Fat Guy. If you want to pick one of these up, just go to shavenation.com, enter Fat Guy in the search box. It'll pop right up. Please like, comment, subscribe, share my videos with your friends. Over 950 videos, shaving and more. Thank you very much for watching. Visit shavenation.com for all your shaving supplies. I'm Geofatboy. Have a great shave. Have a great day. Looks like I have a 4 o'clock shadow. Got to go to shavenation.com. Have a great shave. Have a great day.